Hello, little man. Oh boy.
I can see.
Yeah, it's bitey. He's just a little bit bitey this morning. Very happy. Very happy. He's going for a record.
I got that way.
This is not even 2.5 kilos. Hey, madam. You're really close. You finished, my boy? No. Yeah, Beck's been sick. Joe's been sick. So far, Phil and I good. Thank heavens with this.
I eat my baby girl.
He's going to turn around. Those slippers are so close to being bitten. It's unbelievable. But if you like to live on the edge, honey, go for it. Oh, you funny little thing. You finished? Are you finished? Nah, just starting.
Don't see the camera. Hey, don't bump in my
He's going to bite you. Oh, how funny. Oh, he's just beautiful. The little personality. He's on fire, honey.
Where are you?
He's coming, hang on.
I see you are.
Yeah, he's going to bite you.
Oh.
He's going to bite you. Ow.